Have you ever noticed how one person yawn and suddenly everyone else starts to yawn too? Turns out that this is not coincidence. It's your brain's empathy switch in action. You see, yawning is contagious because of something called social mirroring, an ancient way humans unconsciously sync with one another. When you see someone yawn, the same areas in your brain that control empathy and bonding light up, especially in the mirror neuron system. It's your brain's way of saying, I feel what you feel. And the stronger your emotional connection to someone is, the more likely you are to catch their yawn. Interestingly, this effect is weaker in young children and in people with lower empathy, which shows that it's less about being tired and more about being connected.